This pasta, made just 200 kilometers from here, started as wheat seeds. Now it's on our shelf. Every kilogram of pasta you eat started here, in the dark, before the sun rises. We mix
25 tons of durum wheat flour arrives at the factory every morning, the raw material that will become pasta for 1 million meals. The durum flour is stored in climate-controlled silos. Temperature and humidity must remain constant to preserve flour.
Water quality is critical for pasta. The factory treats every liter to ensure perfect pH, mineral content, and sterility.
The mixing drum is calibrated and cleaned. Every surface must be pristine to ensure flour and water combine into perfect pasta dough. The flour is weighed with precision to 10 grams. Every batch of pasta begins with exactly 250 kilograms of durum flour.
Exactly 82 liters of treated water is added, and the hydration ratio of 83% creates dough with perfect elasticity and gluten development.
Flour and water combine in the mixing drum. The dough begins to develop gluten structure that will give pasta its distinctive bite and texture.
Hydration complete. Gluten developed. Dough ready for extrusion.
Perfect dough consistency, ready for extrusion.
Female_narrator. The kneaded dough is discharged into the extruder's feed hopper.
The extruder auger compresses the dough with 60 bars of pressure, forcing the pasta dough toward the die, where it will be shaped into pasta.
The extrusion die determines pasta shape route. Bronze dies create penne, spaghetti, rigatoni, and dozens of other pasta shapes.
The extrusion die is installed with precision torque. Each bolt must be tightened identically to ensure uniform pasta shape.
Pasta emerges from the die, producing 40 kilograms per hour of perfectly formed penne tubes, each one identical.
Freshly extruded pasta is collected on a table. 2.5 tons of penne accumulates before the batch moves to the drying process. Pasta enters the drying chamber a climate-controlled environment at 45 degrees and 65% humidity will gradually remove moisture. Moisture content is monitored throughout drying, gradually reducing from 32% to the optimal 12% that gives pasta its shelf stability.
Humidity rising, increasing fan speed to 9 meters per second.
Ventilation and humidity are continuously adjusted.
Temperature ramp proceeding normally.
Temperature is gradually ramped from 45 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius over 14 hours.
Zone 2 entry confirmed.
Rack 47 at hour 4. Drying racks move systematically through 6 zones.
Real-time monitoring tracks moisture content, temperature, and humidity. AI algorithms predict the exact moment each batch reaches optimal drying.
The pasta reaches final moisture equilibration at 12%. The perfect balance between shelf stability and cooking quality. The dried pasta is tested for hardness. It must break cleanly at force, indicating perfect moisture.
Final moisture check, 12.1%. Excellent. VO, final moisture equilibration.
Broken pasta pieces are collected for recycling, rehydrated, and re-extruded into new dough batches.
Each pasta tube is visually inspected for cracks, discoloration, and defects. 99% pass rate.
Automated optical inspection uses AI and machine vision to detect defects invisible to the human eye, ensuring 99.8% quality.
The packaging machine precisely measures 500 grams of pasta, the standard retail package size.
Cardboard box blanks are automatically folded into perfect 3D boxes, 1 box per second for the packaging line. A check weigher verifies each box is filled to exactly 500 grams, rejecting underfilled or overfilled boxes automatically. The box is sealed with hot melt glue on both top and bottom, creating an airtight, moisture-proof package for pasta.
Seal complete, pass. Sealed boxes are quality checked for perfect closure. Any defective seals are removed from the line immediately.
A production code is printed on each box recording the lot number, manufacturing date, and expiration date for consumer safety and traceability.
Nutritional and allergen information is verified on each box, ensuring consumer safety and regulatory compliance.
12 individual pasta boxes are grouped and sealed in a retail carton, creating 6-kilogram units for supermarket shelf display. Retail barcodes are applied and weights verified. Each 6-kilogram carton is ready for distribution to supermarkets. 64 cartons are stacked on a single pallet. 384 kilograms of finished pasta products ready for distribution. Pallet labels and barcodes are applied mode. Each pallet is tracked through the supply chain for quality assurance and inventory management. The pallet is stored in a climate-controlled warehouse fillers, temperature and humidity optimized to preserve pasta quality until retail distribution. Lot 047 is fully stocked, ready for distribution to retail partners.
The warehouse management system tracks every pallet in real time. The pasta is loaded onto a refrigerated distribution truck, traveling to 47 supermarkets across Italy in the next 36 hours.
Pasta is shelved in the stockroom, organized by lot, with expiration dates tracked for proper rotation.
The pasta is displayed on supermarket shelves, ready to be purchased by consumers and brought home for family meals.
This is the good pasta. Traditional taste. 500 grams. Durum wheat. Perfect for this evening.
The pasta is stored in the home kitchen pantry, fresh, with 12 months of shelf life remaining.
The pasta is prepared for cooking. 400 grams of penne from lot 047, ready to be transformed into a meal.
Perfetto.
The pasta cooks to perfect al dente texture in 11 minutes. The gluten development from manufacturing creates that perfect firm bite.
The cooked pasta is combined with fresh tomato sauce, creating an authentic Italian dish that began 24 hours earlier in the factory. The pasta is plated with care and decag, a beautiful presentation of the journey that began 24 hours earlier with durum wheat flour.
Perfetto.
This is from our region, made from our wheat. Good quality.
The pasta reaches its ultimate purpose of feeding a family.
From raw wheat to family table Mukund, a 24-hour journey of precision, tradition, and culinary passion. The Pasta Factory, where tradition meets precision, creating quality that reaches millions of tables worldwide.
This pasta factory produces 24 metric tons daily Calenjo, serving millions of families with zero waste.
The Pasta Factory operates with environmental responsibility and ethical practices, feeding families while protecting the planet.
From wheat to table, the journey of pasta is a journey of care, quality, and love for the family meal. From the Italian countryside to your table, this is how pasta is made. Thank you for watching.